Hey, it's Chef K. Welcome back to the channel. We're out on the flat top, out in the sunshine, cooking up broccoli stir fry with beef. Broccoli beef stir fry. Going down with a couple of pounds of hamburger meat right there. Gonna chop it up, get it cooking. Look at that steam. We're really cooking here. Got the flat top up on high on that right side. Those two burners are cooking pretty hot. We're gonna get that hamburger cooked, and then we're gonna put our broccoli down. You can see it over there in the bowl. Hamburger's pretty much done. Gonna get our broccoli going over there. Got that left side pretty hot now. Put a little oil down goes the frozen broccoli. It's been thawed out. Set it out a little earlier, got it thawed. It's a couple of pounds of broccoli as well. It's quite a bit. I'm gonna chop, some of the pieces are a little big. I'm chopping them up there a little bit. Got the hamburger just about done. Getting ready to load it up. The broccoli's getting browned pretty good. Got some brown on it. It's cooked. Now we're going to mix them together. I'm going to toss that burger right up on that broccoli. I've got some Japanese barbecue sauce over there that I'm going to put on this. Really, really good. It's a lot like some of the other thicker treatments for stir fry. Not too sweet. This one's not too sweet. Got a really good flavor. It's made with soy sauce and mirin and a few other things. Thicker than soy sauce, but it's not super sweet like some of the stir fry situations are. Cover that pretty good. We're going to stir it around, let it cook for a few minutes. I've turned the grill off on the right hand side, and these two left hand burners where we're cooking now are turned way down. Food is essentially done. We're just building flavor now. Got that steam rocking. And we're going to take it up. We got it. Didn't take long. We'll load it up on that tray. Take it in. Put a couple of pork egg rolls with it. And there it is. Flat top action. Stir fry, broccoli beef stir fry. Thank you. See you later.